Guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope so you will be fine and perfect. So guys, today's our topic about how to install Windows 10 on our PC. But before starting our video, I request you to kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the new notifications. So now let's start our topic, how to install Windows 10. There are a few steps we have to follow them. So the first step is this: your device meet the minimum requirements. So what are those requirements? The first one is about CPU. Your CPU must have 1 gigahertz or more or faster. Then the second one is RAM must be 1 GB for 32-bit and 2 GB for 64-bit. The third one is storage, minimum storage 32 GB is required. Then the second step is create installation medium. So now you have to create installation medium. Then Microsoft has a specifically tools for that. You will need a blank USB, minimum 8 GB, and more than you can use DVD or 32 GB. Then the third step is, what is it? So use the installation media that you have in USB and put the USB into your computer. Okay, so then access your computer BIOS system. So first step is what, change your computer boot order. Press the function keys and then you will have to change the boot order, and you can remain your old window as well. Then shown up in the section called boot. So the boot order, you have to change it new, or you can remain it. And then the fifth step is save setting and exit the what you can say, exit the installation file, and your window is ready for that. So kindly like this video.